Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a project share. I wanted to update you. I had shown you some wood beads that I had gotten from Amazon, and I was going to make a strawberry garland, which I did make, and it came out so cute. So I wanted to show it to you and describe it to you in detail. So these are the beads that I have left over, and these are the ones that I used. I used strawberry wood beads in one pack that I got, and then in the other pack I got the red and white gingham painted beads, the red painted beads, and the white painted beads, and they're all 20 millimeters, so a nice big size. And the garland that I made, I used 60 different beads, about 12 each or so. So this is the garland that I made, and I think it came out so pretty. I just alternated all the different beads. At first I wasn't sure if I was going to use, just 2 strawberry beads at the ends, but I think they go really well within the garland itself. So that's what I did, and it's nice and long because I like to use them either on tier trays, and when I do use garlands on tier trays, I like to cascade the garland down to like the next level. Sometimes I use them on my mantle, sometimes on shelves, so a nice big length is, it's more versatile, I think. So this is about 52 inches long. And the tassels at the ends I made with some jute twine. And this one I made with some strawberry ribbon and then some coordinating red ribbon with white stitching on it. So both tassels are the same. And yeah, that's it. And you know what? I had a bunch of them left over, so I made a couple more for my Etsy store. So I'll show you those as well. The first one looks just like the one I made for myself. It's the same length. I used the same amount of beads, the same ribbons. So this is the second one I made. I'm keeping the first one for myself just because, there was a little bit of a learning curve. But by the time I got to this one, I knew what I was doing. So anyway, yes, this will be in my Etsy store. I only have 2, so if you want one, please don't hesitate. I will link my shop in the description box like I always do. So that's the first one. This is the one with the red ribbon. I made another one that's almost identical. It's using some yellow ribbon in the tassels though. So this is the second one I made, and as you can see, it's got all the same beads, but then when you get to the tassels, it still has the strawberry ribbon, but then it has some yellow ribbon with white stitching. And both the tassels on each of the garlands is tied with jute twine too, and it's glued into place so it won't come unraveled. And there's a little bit of leeway in the garlands so that they bend and drape nicely. They're not packed too tightly so they can't bend. So so these 2 I have left. I only had enough beads to make 2 extra. There's just a little bit left of each, not enough for a whole garland. So yeah, there'll be one listed with the red ribbon and one listed with the yellow ribbon. So again, I hope you like them. If you want them, head on over to my Etsy Etsy store and they'll be available there. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.